Returning to work during a global pandemic is an experience that varies from one person to another, depending on your workforce, your industry, or your geography. You may be asked to work from home, you may be alternating your time between your home and place of work, and the teammates you're used to collaborating with may not be in the office at the same time as you. While working remotely is not new, it may be new to you. You're used to collaborating with your co-workers when you're in the office, but what do you do when you're working from home? Using Autodesk Vault and Fusion Team allows you to share and access your data regardless of where you're working and who you need to share the data with. Autodesk Vault on-premise data management will take care of keeping your data secure, accurate, up-to-date, and synced with Fusion Team. Cloud-hosted Fusion Team allows you to permission control and securely share your CAD data with your supply chain to collaborate on design projects. Around the corner in the office or around the globe, you can communicate as if you're in the same room. How do you review design data with your supply chain via remote access? Autodesk Shared Views, available in AutoCAD, Inventor and Vault, provide you with a quick and easy way to share 2D and 3D data inside or outside your company firewall via a secure URL. Remotely review, measure, comment and mark up the same data in real time as your colleagues without slowing down your process. We understand. In these unprecedented times, you require flexibility in your schedule and your location as you return to work. At Autodesk, collaboration, secure remote access to data, and your productivity are important to us. We look forward to continuing to support your workflows as you return to work.